If you've accidentally deleted messages on Deliveroo and need to recover them, follow these steps to try and retrieve your information. Step 1. Check the app's archive. Open the Deliveroo app and navigate to the Messages section. Look for any options that might indicate archived messages or a history of your conversations. Sometimes, deleted messages are simply archived rather than permanently removed. Step 2. Review email notifications. Check your email for any notifications from Deliveroo. If you received messages via email, you may find copies of your conversations there. Search your inbox for Deliveroo-related emails to see if any relevant messages are available. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you cannot find the messages through the app or email, reach out to Deliveroo's customer support. Provide them with details about the messages you need to recover, and they may be able to assist you in retrieving them. Step 4. Check your device backup. If you regularly back up your device, check if you have a backup that includes the Deliveroo app data. Depending on your device, you may be able to restore the app to a previous state where the messages were still available. Step 5. Monitor future messages. To prevent losing important messages in the future, consider taking screenshots or saving important conversations. Additionally, regularly check your app settings to ensure you are receiving notifications for all messages. By following these steps, you may be able to recover your deleted messages on Deliveroo. If all else fails, keeping a backup of important information can help avoid similar situations in the future.